Ready? Start. The report that the radical graduates interviewed by the Punjab Public Service Commission recently were not up to the mark came as no surprise, full stop. An earlier report had the same to say about applicants from among the engineering graduates, full stop. Yet another report by the FPSC and PPSC put the substandard label on all the applicants interviewed over a long period, full stop. At times, the Commission has admitted to lowering its standard in order to meet its requirement since it has not been possible to do otherwise, full stop. Such reports are not startling news but taken in their proper perspective, they are comments on the quality of the professionals that will build our bridges, heal the sick and mend the monetary and financial policies of this land of ours, full stop. One need not have psychic powers to predict that all these performances will also be substandard, full stop. Such sobering thoughts are really reminders of the fact that the educational system, which produce such a poor end product, has reached a point of total collapse, full stop. It has failed to produce excellence in any field, ignored an important role of scientific and technical branches of education, and has failed to provide a social conscience and ideological framework to the students, full stop. The pillars that create a dynamic educational system must be built and strengthened with determination and financial backing, full stop. A crucial step is to evolve a scientific attitude to education at all levels, beginning from the primary schools, where the syllabi must be prepared methodically, keeping in view the vocabulary and comprehension levels of a child, full stop. Education at this level should aim at laying the foundation for a positive approach, attitude and methodology, and not its poor substitute of packaging maximum facts in a mind too inexperienced and confused to grasp the meaning of the curriculum, full stop. At all times, the dimensions of research and experimentation need a central role in our educational methodology, full stop. In order to establish close rapport between teachers and students, the size of the tutorial groups needs severe reduction, which in turn requires increased facilities to ease the pressure on the existing institutions, full stop. This expansion must take the direction of science and technology in order to produce the stuff that will ensure and facilitate economic development, full stop. At the same time, the poor working terms of the teaching community require sympathetic revision to enable them to pursue their duties with dignity, full stop. A system of continuous education of teachers such as regular workshops, seminars and exchange programs can help to improve their contribution. Full stop.